Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Toledo, where we talk all things outdoor living. To start this season, we're comparing three popular deck board choices: pressure-treated wood, cedar, and composite decking. Let's begin with pressure-treated lumber. It's usually the entry point for many homeowners because it's widely available and typically the lowest cost up front. When installed correctly and maintained, it can serve you well for years, but the key word there is maintained. Treated boards still need cleaning and regular sealing or staining to protect against moisture, sun, and general wear. Cedar is a step up in appearance for many people. It has a richer color and a natural grain that can look great on both decks and attached structures like pergolas. Cedar can be more stable than basic treated pine, but it is still a natural wood and needs protection from the elements. If you like the idea of a classic, warm deck and are willing to stay on top of maintenance, cedar can be a good fit. Composite decking is built for lower maintenance. These boards combine materials to create a surface that resists rot, splintering, and many of the weather problems natural wood faces. You still need to clean the deck, but you're not sanding it and restaining it on a regular cycle just to keep it usable. For busy families, that difference matters. Fiberon is one example of a composite brand we use in outdoor living spaces that see a lot of action. When you're planning a main deck that will tie into a patio, outdoor kitchen, or pergola, using composite boards on the primary walking and sitting areas can cut down on long-term work. It also keeps the surface more consistent for kids, pets, and guests who use it every day. Cost is always part of the conversation. Wood and cedar start lower. Composite often costs more at the beginning, but can pay off when you factor in fewer refinishing projects and less board replacement. The longer you plan to stay in your home and the more you use your deck, the more sense composite can make as a long-term choice. We also match materials to specific projects. A small, basic deck or set of steps leading to a patio might be a good place to use pressure-treated lumber. A feature deck on the back of your main living space might deserve composite for traction, durability, and appearance. Sometimes we even mix approaches, using different materials in different zones to match budget and use. If you're standing in your yard trying to picture what comes next, think about how much time you want to spend maintaining your deck versus using it. Also consider how it will tie into other features like patios, pergolas, or a future sunroom. The more your deck becomes a central part of your home, the more important it is to choose boards that will hold up. You can reach our team at 419-574-4799 or visit toughdeckbuilderstoledo.com if you'd like help sorting through deck material options for your own project. At Tough Deck Builders Toledo, we walk you through the pros and cons so your choice lines up with how you really live outside. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Toledo. As you plan your next deck or backyard renovation, remember that the boards you walk on every day are worth careful thought. We'll talk again in the next episode.